So each process we work as a series and each part task. Okay. Hello,
Hello,
friends.
my friend.
Yeah,
Welcome
welcome
to
to
our
our
living
living
show.
show. Do you have any questions?
Yes, just leave your message, leave your comment. We will,
Yeah, yes.
we will.
Okay, we'll show to.
Hi.
Hello, friends. So we've been. Okay. Huh?
Okay, so do you have any questions about our 3D printer? Just take your time. Hurry up. Our show is about to end. Remember, 50% discount only valid today. Just hurry up, and you can give our special present.
Wow.
Oh, what's this?
It's a
Couple? Something like a.
It's a print module. 这是一个什么it's in the amusement park garden. Okay.
So complex.
我来展示，你们来讲。
Okay.
That's the design by our 3D printer.
Wow, it's so exciting from here to spread. Wow, so
Fantastic.
exciting. 游乐园的那个。
Yes, it's
Things
like a.
like this. Yeah. Amusement
滑滑
park.
梯、
Yes.
Okay, amusement park. 这是什么？
过山车、
啊？
过山车。
这是滑梯从这上面。
You can
Yeah, from the top.
also design a little ball. Then it can slide from here to the button. I think your kids may like this.
Yes, it's so interesting.
Yes.
Okay, we have more models.
Wow, this is
Wow.
golden one.
Wow, I screen something.
全游，
这是什么？
Was
权力与游戏的皇冠，
it also have
骑士头盔，
this one is very special.
骑士头盔，是吗？这不
Pikachu. Yeah, Pikachu again. The cartoon. Green. Is this green or blue? We have a little one like a rabbit.
灯罩，
This is a lamp cover. Yes, lamp cover. 这是放蜡烛的吗？
啊，
放蜡烛。
灯
灯罩 lamp. Yes, it's a lamp cover. Lamp cover. It's so special. 是这样弄的还是这样子？哦，应该是这样，这样子。This is a lamp cover. Okay.
怎么很这样放？
没有灯罩应该是
要电线这里进去，
灯呢？
灯不是拧在上面吗？搞不懂。
Okay, I'm sure. I'm not sure how to use it, but I think it's so beautiful. I like this water lily design. The color green I like too. Do you
玩
like?
客撩妹，
So it shows that we can make the printer. We can make any modules you want, as long as you can design it. Okay.
没事。我们现在5楼吧，就是那个公，
Okay, let's go back to the fifth floor.
还有最后
Do
半
you
个小
have
时。
any questions about our 3D printer, about the assembly procedure? Yes. If no problem, let's go back to the fifth floor. I will introduce the module to you guys, okay? Don't go away. Keep step with us. And don't just remember, we have 50% discount waiting for you today. 50% discount. only 1 minute today during our living show.
Yes, yes. Very great support to you guys. 50% discount.
Yes,
So
also free
now
center.
3D printers only $156.
Yeah.
And you can take one printer home.
Yeah. Tomorrow you will need to pay double.
Yes.
One 3D printer home.
Yes, after we show our price will be $370.
Yeah.
Anytime
Just
you
hurry
call
up. Place your order.
Yeah.
Or do you still have any questions about our product? Just leave your message, give your email address, or your other contact ways. Yes. Do you want to see our factory again?
Yes, I want go the fruit garden.
Yes.
Maybe we can find 1 or 2 chili to eat. Pick
Yes.
up the chilies.
It's very sweet.
In the streets.
So many fruit trees.
Okay, 1 car drive inside the garden.
Our factory is over 3,000 square.
Yes, our factory, we have big factories and our produce facilities is large. How many printers we can make per day? Do you know?
Printer?
Yes, how many?
I'm not so sure. Maybe
500 liters.
yeah, 5 or 6. But everyone needs to 100% test
Yes.
before delivery.
Yes, each day we send our printers to different countries all over the world.
Yes.
Yes,
Well,
well
packed.
So let's come back to our office.
告诉他们这些货都是客户出的，然后打包好了。
This is some printers we are ready to ship.
Yes, this is our order from our customers.
Yes. As
Wow,
it's ready,
customers.
yes, tonight our delivery man will come to pick up names sent to different countries.
Yes.
So,
有什么问题就是提问或者之类的。
看机器还是干嘛？那你关吗？那你下班了吗？对，因为3D 花的时间很长。
Here in China and
仓库要不要看一看？
ready to absorb. Okay.
对，再看一下。
Now it's our SMT machine again.
Yeah. Each day.
Our workers are changing the material now.
Yes. Have to fit new accessories into this machine to make the PCB board.
Yes, it's all controlled by our computer.
Yeah. It's auto product. Okay. And each day we can make about 3,000 pieces borders.
You can see it sticks the components to the PCB board. And now it is installing 100% discount, 100%. And now it starts working.
Yes,
That
this
is
is the capacity. Capacities.
Yeah, resistors, capacity.
Yes, very small
All
materials.
the raw materials here, one by one.
I see the parts of the border.
是个小妹妹。没什么。
Yes, our girl, she's checked the border. Yes, she's checked this border. If something wrong. So each IC, each board we check, and no problem.